The identification of individual logistic units such as a pallet using a serial shipping container code, or SSCC, enables trading partners to work together in simplifying a number of daily logistics and business processes. As a unique pallet identifier, an SSCC allows suppliers and retailers to follow products from the factory floor to the store shelf, resulting in faster handling of product, more accurate ordering, less paperwork and improved traceability. Guided by GS1, the New Zealand grocery and liquor industry has established a set of requirements to standardise the layout, size and location for pallet labels. An SSCC label can be formatted in either portrait or landscape orientation. The minimum size is A6. However, depending on the amount of information a supplier is required to provide, larger label sizes such as A5 or A4 can also be used. Product information contained in the top barcode can be broken down into multiple barcodes if required, in order to maintain a larger bar magnification. On single item pallets, the label should be applied on the outside of the stretch wrap. For label location, 2 identical labels need to be applied, one placed on each fork entry side of the pallet. The labels should be placed between 50 to 100 millimetres from the right-hand vertical edge at a height between 400 to 800 millimetres from the base of the pallet. The target placement of the label is 600 millimetres from ground level. When multiple pallets are stacked and stretch wrapped on the same footprint, the pallet labels should be applied underneath the stretch wrap, as the stretch wrap will be cut away upon delivery into the DC. When multiple pallets are stacked and stretch wrapped individually, the pallet label should be applied on top of the stretch wrap. For single item pallets that are less than 400 millimetres in height, the labels should be placed as high as possible on the outside of the stretch wrap. For single item pallets, where the labels are higher than the height of the trade item, fold the human readable section of both labels over the top of the trade item so that the barcodes can still be scanned. For further information on pallet label requirements for the New Zealand grocery and liquor industry, please contact GS1 New Zealand.